Create a search bar and learn how to search. Add Firebase Core and Firestore dependencies. Include both packages. Then initialize Firebase in void main. Use this client collections data. Name, email, mobile are fields. The name field is what we are searching for. Using stateful widget. 5 datas now. All data can be displayed without searching. Create a list variable. List all results. Create a function for populating data in that list variable. Get client stream. Async. var data equals await. Firebase Firestore.instance.collection. Client. Order by name. .get. Add data to variable. Set state. Add results equals data.docs. Then call this function in init state. Init state. Function client stream. Then create a body and scaffold. App bar. Search box can be created later inside the app bar. Body. Display the data using the ListView.Builder. Item count. All results.length. Item builder. Function. Parameters. Context, index. Return list tile. Title. Text widget. Display name field. All results of index. Name. Subtitle. Email. Trailing. Mobile. Then run the app. Data displayed. Then add a search bar inside the app bar. Title. Cupertino search text field. Search bar displayed. Change the color. Background color. White. Search using this. Create a text editing controller. Final text editing controller. Search controller. Equals text editing controller. Include controller in search text field. Create an add listener in init state. Search controller.add listener. Give a function name. On search changed. Then create the function. On search changed. Print search controller.text. Run the app. Yes, search text is displayed. Then dispose the listener. The getClientStream function can be changed from init state. Create a didChange dependencies. And call that function. Then run. It's working. Then create a function for search. A create for search list. List result list. Then create a function. Search result list. Create a variable show result. If search controller.text not equals null. Else. If there is no text in search, all data should be displayed. Show result equals. List.form. All results. Check all the data using for in loop. For client snapshot in all results. var name equals client snapshot of name.toString.to lowercase. Then check if name.contains search controller.text.to lowercase. Add data to show result variable. Show result.add client snapshot. Then set state. Result list equals show results. Call this function in on search changed. Then call it in get client stream function. Then change the variable name to result list in. Inside the ListView.Builder. Then run the app. Client name second. Okay, it's working.